If you're looking to build realistic and sustainable study habits that will get you through nursing school, try 5 per day. So I'm not talking about 5 fruits and vegetables per day, which is also a good idea, but reviewing 5 flashcards every day or watching 5 short videos every day. This does not require a lot of time. Our flashcards are brief and to the point, and our videos are typically 5 to 7 minutes in length, so it is not a big lift. And over time, 5 a day adds up. For example, if you study 5 flashcards per day from our pharmacology flashcard deck, after 42 days, you will have gone through the entire deck. The bottom line is that we have broken down the content into manageable bite-sized chunks. So if you watch 5 videos per day or review 5 flashcards per day, you are going to get through all of that material and be able to do so at a manageable and reasonable pace. We invite you to subscribe to our channel and share a link with your classmates and friends in nursing school. And if you found value in this video, be sure to hit that like button and let us know what you found to be particularly helpful.